Louisiana courts have not directly held that litigation finance agreements are enforceable, but case law has endorsed the legality of the financial mechanism that underlies many litigation finance agreements. At the very least, this ruling stands as an implicit endorsement of the concept that a litigant can assign its interest in the proceeds of litigation to a third party invested in the litigation. In Advocate Financial LLC versus Longnecker and Associates, a litigation finance company made an agreement with a personal injury claimant to advance funds to cover litigation costs in return for an interest in the proceeds of the litigation. The finance company notified the defendant's insurer that it had a lien on any proceeds from the claim, and it asked the insurer to send any settlement check or judgment payment directly to it instead of to the claimant's attorney. The insurer took the position it was not required to respect a security interest in the proceeds of an insurance policy. It contended it could make a judgment payment to the plaintiff himself via the trust account of the plaintiff's attorney. When the litigation concluded, the insurer sent the payment directly to the claimant's attorney, despite the notice of the litigation finance company's lien. But the court ruled that the litigation finance company had a right to direct payment from the insurer. Other aspects of Louisiana law are consistent with the idea that litigation financing agreements are lawful. Louisiana courts have held a right to recovery in a pending lawsuit can be freely assigned. Once a dispute has developed into an actual lawsuit with a contestation or denial of liability by the defendant, however, it becomes a litigious right. Such a litigious right is freely assignable. But in this connection, it is important to note that a party cannot assign its inchoate legal claim. That is, a party cannot assign its right to recover until the lawsuit is actually pending and the opposing party has answered. In light of these rulings, it is clear Louisiana law permits the fundamental elements of a litigation finance transaction: the assignment of a right to litigation proceeds and the creation of an enforceable security interest in such proceeds. Even if Louisiana courts have not specifically endorsed the legality of litigation finance agreements themselves, they have made clear that litigation financing is permissible. If you need help with litigation funding, call or email me today.